Skytech Azure 3 Review. RTX 5060 Gaming Beast or Overhyped RGB brick? i7-14700F tested. Let's be real. If your current PC sounds like a jet engine, melts under pressure, or locks up mid-battle, you're not alone. So many gamers are stuck battling their own hardware instead of enemies. Whether it's thermal throttling, laggy frame drops, or the dreaded "sorry, your GPU can't handle this" message, you know the frustration. You bought a gaming PC, but it's acting more like a glorified space heater. Your dreams of ultra-smooth gameplay? Crushed. Your focus? Gone. You're stuck watching loading screens instead of scoring wins. Sound familiar? Let's talk about why your current rig is the actual boss fight. Now, multiply that frustration across your whole week. Daily crashes. Missed raid queues. Constant bottlenecks while streaming, editing, or even multitasking. The mounting stress of watching everyone else post smooth 60+ FPS clips while your system coughs at 30. You're missing opportunities. Ranked climbs, competitive streams, creative edits, all stuck behind silicon limitations. Burnout starts creeping in. You ask yourself, is it me? Spoiler alert. It's not. You're being sabotaged by subpar specs, outdated cooling, and ancient architecture. And worse? You're paying for it. Enough's enough. It's time to stop fighting your PC. Meet the Skytech Azure 3 gaming desktop, the beast engineered to obliterate your tech frustrations. Powered by the Intel i7-14700F and RTX 5060 GPU, this monster delivers lightning-fast 5.3 GHz turbo speeds and graphics so crisp you'll wonder if your screen leveled up too. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, kiss lag and loading screens goodbye. The secret sauce? A 360mm RGB liquid cooler and RGB 6000 RAM, keeping your rig cool even when you're sweating clutch plays. Forget air coolers, this setup lets you unleash full power without melting your PC or your sanity. Now picture this. Ultra settings. 60+ FPS. Every game you love, Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, Valorant, cranked to max without breaking a sweat. The Skytech Azure 3 isn't just about flashy RGB, though it's got that too. It's about seamless workflows, thermal freedom, and razor-sharp performance day in, day out. And hey, it even comes with a free RGB keyboard and mouse combo because Skytech knows gamers like freebies almost as much as flawless frame rates. Curious if it's worth the hype? Tap the link and dive deeper into this gaming juggernaut now. Here's the catch. This beast isn't mass-produced forever. Assembled in the USA and backed by a full warranty, the Skytech Azure 3 is already in high demand. Thousands of gamers have upgraded, why not you? Act now. Buy today. Limited stock. No restocks once sold out. Don't let your next ranked match be ruined by ancient hardware. Seize the power, own the game, and join the legion of winners already gaming in Ultra. This isn't just a PC, it's your next victory. Click now. Secure your Skytech Azure 3 before it's game over.